YouTube? It's me, Kenneth, the What's New Barbecue. Today's going to be a short and sweet video. This is just a video to show how much I appreciate all my supporters, all my subscribers. I really do appreciate the comments, the subscriptions, the likes, the shares. It means the world to me, guys. I want to go ahead and give a quick shout out to Dan Arnold from SUCKLEBUSTERS. He's going to supply a variety pack of his awesome Texas style seasonings. And I'll put a picture of that variety pack right here. In order to win this Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays giveaway here at What's New Barbecue, it's simple. First, you got to be a subscriber. Second, you got to comment down below. Hashtag What's New Barbecue. Hashtag Merry Christmas. And third, you've got to like this video. It's that simple, guys. Like I said, I really appreciate y'all's support. It means the world to me. And I just wanted to make this video a giveaway before the end of the year to wrap this year up with an awesome giveaway for my subscribers. So I appreciate y'all's support, guys. Make sure y'all hop in the comments down below and get in on this giveaway. Alright, guys, that's all I got. Until next time, y'all keep on barbecuing.